Listing products on Amazon does not have to be slow. In this video, I will show you how to list products on Amazon, and I will cover two methods: manual and bulk upload with feed file. So you can scale your business from small to big business and list hundreds of products efficiently. For those who don't know me, I am Adil Sajid. We run We Fix All, an Amazon full service management agency where we fix complex catalog issues and scale Amazon businesses with profitability. So today I will be covering two methods. Let's move toward first method. This is very simple and it's called manual product upload. Yes, remember before starting you must have all the data. I have documented what exactly the data you need before listing your product on Amazon. Prepare your data like you need product title, brand name, SKU, UPC, price, quantity, bullet points, description, images of the products, and actually the category, in which category you will gonna list these products. So considering you already have this all data, I will be showing you first manual method. First of all, go to the menu bar, click on catalog and then add products. Here you will see this kind of interface where you have multiple options. For manual, you need to choose blank form. We can choose these methods as well. These are for wholesale and for bulk upload. I will explore these all one by one in next videos. In this video, we will gonna cover blank form, you can say manual upload, and with feed file bulk upload method. So first of all, manually you need to click on blank form, then you will have this kind of the interface. You need to add product title. So I already written all the data. Item name mean product title. So here in this sheet I already written all the data. I will copy the product title and I will paste here. Then we need to choose product type. You can say product category. It's already there, but we can select from here step by step. So what is our category? It is clothing, shoes, accessories, women, shoes, slippers. First of all, clothing. Then we have option for women. Then shoes, slippers. So we can bookmark it for next time and we can select right away. And then we need to choose brand name. By the way, if you are listing your product first time, you can't go directly by writing your brand name here. You need catalog authorization. If you want to know how to get catalog authorization, I already recorded a video. You can visit our channel and watch that video after this. First of all, let's learn how to list your product. After choosing category, you need to add the UPC code, like whatever it is. It could be 12-digit code, something like that. But in this brand, we didn't have any UPC code. We already get GTIN exemption, so we don't need to add UPC or GTIN. But if you are listing your product first time and you didn't have any GTIN, Amazon again will ask you, you need to have a GTN exemption. And it is also already recorded and given in the video mentioned above. Okay, after selecting this, you need to move next and you need to add product description, bullet points. So we already have all this data here. We will be copying here and we will be adding. To save time, I will be skipping this part. So we need to upload the images and then we need to upload model number, some of the features and attributes which have static. It's essential, but you can add other values as well. It will be helpful for ranking your product. Then we need to add offer, product price, SKU, and then we need to check mark. Either we are using FBM or we will be using FBA. Then we need to click here on submit. That's it. You are done. and you have already listed your product manually. That's it, guys. You are already done and you listed your product with the first step. Now we will be moving toward the second step where we list our product with the feed file, and we can list hundreds of SKUs in just single upload. It's very simple. People take it very complex. Let's proceed with the simplest bulk upload method. So first of all, again, you need to have all the data, and then you need to prepare a feed file that you will be uploading so that Amazon can get all the data of your product. So you need to click again on the menu bar, then catalog, and then again on the add product section. Here we will be going with the spreadsheet, and from here we will download a template. It will be a template where we will add all the data, and then we will upload here. Amazon will fetch all the data within 15 to 20 minutes, and our products will appear on our dashboard, Amazon dashboard. So click on download blank template, and then you need to click here download product spreadsheet. And from here you need to choose category. We are selling slippers, so we will choose our category, and here automatically Amazon chosen the category. If we are not able to find our category here, what we will do, we will click here browse via product category, and then again we will choose as earlier we did. So we can select here, or we can choose one after one with the category tree, like shoes, slippers, jewelry. Then we will move to the women, then again shoes, then again slippers. Okay, so here Amazon chosen all the 15 browse node types, but we only have men's slipper and women's slipper, so we will be choosing only these ones. So we will unselect all and then again reselect only the ones which belongs to our product. That's it. Then we need to continue and we will generate spreadsheet. Okay, it will be generated within a couple of minutes and then we will download. That's it. Done, guys. So this is slippers blank feed file. We will be adding all the data in this template file. By the way, it do have like all the instructions, browse nodes, codes, valid values, what are the valid values we will be using, what could be the parentage options, what could be the best sizing options. So we can read all these and then we can follow the instructions. And we need to add all the data here in this feed file. So the most important thing is you need to cover these red cells. If you are not covering these red cells, you will be encountering multiple errors and you have to upload again and again. So now what you need to do, you need to add all the data here. The good thing is if you are a Shopify seller or if you already have hundreds of products data in your catalog and now you are starting Amazon, if you already have data like this, like we already have data, you just need to copy from here, like we are copying all the SKUs. So we are listing 12 products in this video, and I will show you how to list. So first of all, copy the SKUs and paste here. So you already added the SKUs for the 12 listings. So you already added the SKUs for the 12 listings. Now you need to add other details, product type. So all are sleepers. We will be choosing sleepers. That's now we have more attributes that we need to provide value, listing action. So you can choose partial update. Even you are listing your product first time, you can choose partial update. Partial means if you are missing any values, Amazon will process that. And if you are going for a full update, then all the new data will be reflecting. So for the first time, both play same role. Parentage level. So either it's a parent or child. So we need to choose it's a child. Even if we don't choose child, it will again process if we don't have any parentage. If we have parentage, then we have to define the relationship. And I explained these all very precisely how to define parentage relationship in a different video. I will attach the link in the description or I will explain here as well. Okay. Then we need to add other values like parentage. So these all are the child. Let's combine these 12 under one parentage. And I'm adding all here as child and we will later add parentage. And then parent SKU, we need to add parent SKU. Then we need to add variation. What is the variation? So we have double variation theme. One is color and the other is size. So we will be choosing size and color variation theme. These four attributes are very important where we need to define the exact variation theme. We need to add the exact relation between the child and the parent, who will gonna play the role of parent and who will be a child. So we'll be adding these four values very precisely. And then we need to add item name. Item name is actually item title. We already have item title, so we will copy the item titles from here. From the data sheet we already prepared. We'll copy and add here in the item title. Then we need to add the brand name. So we need to choose the brand name from this drop down, or we can add manually the brand name here. And then we need to add the recommended browse node. It's woman or men, we can choose any, and we can drag it down to all the attributes. And then keep going. We will add all the data, model name, model name. These red cells are essential to add value. Bullet points, we need to add at least one bullet point. And then you can see here Amazon hidden. Many of the columns we will call an unhide. So we will provide value for the all the required attributes. And then we need to add offer condition like it's a new product or old product, then price. Remember one thing, if you are selling as FBM, then your offer must be default. And if you are selling as FBA, then you can choose Amazon NA in North America. In different marketplaces, it is according to the marketplace. And if you are selling FBM, then you need to choose default and you need to add value accordingly. That's it, guys. You have to add value. So be prepared, keep all the value in hand, and then start working and adding all the data to this feed file. Once you are ready, all the data is added, then you just need to save this file and go back to your account and you need to upload the file. That's it. You can click here and the file will be uploaded and it will process within like 15 to 20 minutes and your listings will start showing on your Amazon manage all inventory page. So these are the two methods to list your product efficiently. And if you need any assistance to grow your business, we can provide you Amazon consultation or full service management to grow your brand. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see this kind of amazing and full of practical knowledge videos, please follow our channel and like the video. Thank you.